how to reply on Twitter. Replies are the easiest way to join conversations on X, and here's how to do it step by step. So, step one, open the X app and then find a tweet. So, go ahead and look for a specific tweet where you want to reply. Click on this respond icon, enter your reply, and then once you're done entering your reply for this tweet, click on this reply button, and then you should find that specific reply under the reply section. So anyone who's currently looking for a reply they can relate to, they can simply like your reply, repost your reply, or respond on your reply. You can use mentions and hashtags, add username to notify someone directly, or include hashtags to join trending conversations. And that is how you can easily reply on Twitter.